Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make this mini MP3 player using Arduino. To build this project you need Arduino Uno, DFPlayer mini, OLED module, 18650 battery, charging board, boost converter, Rotary encoder and a small speaker. To begin with, I will design the frame for this project using Tinkercad. You can find links to these STLs in the description box below. Use your favorite color PLA filament to print the parts. Refer the circuit diagram to build the connections. Make a note that save your favorite music inside the SD card under the folder MP3, and music should be named in 0001.mp3, 0002.mp3 and so on. Then upload this program. To use this MP3 player, all you have to do is turn on this power button and your MP3 player is ready to go. Use the encoder knob to switch between your favorite music, OK to pause or play, and for the volume control, press OK with turning the knob. This was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.